Looking for a recipe to help lift your mood that's tasty and healthy? Then you have come to the perfect place. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today because the recipe we are making is super colorful, bursting with flavor, and loaded with vitamin C to help lift your mood, something we all need from time to time. Hence the name, Happy Grapefruit and Avocado Salad. Let's begin by making our vinaigrette. In a small mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of chopped shallot or red onion, whichever one you have on hand. And a shallot is a type of onion. It's commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine. Studies have shown that it has anti-cancer properties, as well as speeding up your digestion and helping manage diabetes. So it's a super powerful ingredient that we're going to be adding to our recipe today. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro for some added freshness. And cilantro is so great at removing heavy metal toxins from the body. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which is a really healthy fat that's great for your heart health, and it's also going to help remove toxins from the blood. A pinch or 2 of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, both of which are really great at providing the body trace minerals. Now for some spice. Let's add a pinch or 2 of cayenne pepper, just depending on the amount of heat you would like. Now cayenne pepper is so good for stimulating blood flow and also clearing up your sinuses, both of which are personally really helpful for me. So I try to actually take this every single day. And now to add a little bit more of some grapefruit deliciousness, I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil. This is totally optional. I love it because it helps lift your mood. And quite honestly, I could use a little bit of a boost today. Whisk these ingredients together and then set them aside. And now for one of the stars of this salad that we're making, 2 lovely grapefruits. So we're going to be cutting our grapefruit into sections, and if you've never done this before, don't worry, it's super easy. First, want to start by cutting off both ends. And then, taking your knife, you want to cut down the sides, removing the peel from the flesh. Try to get as close as you can to the peel so we get as much of this wonderful grapefruit as we can into our salad. Okay, now we're ready to cut out the sections. And it's really easy. You can already see the white membrane lines. Those are our guidelines. You're just going to take a small knife and you're going to cut right down as close as you can on the inside of that membrane line, and then on the other inside of the next white membrane line, and then just pull your sections out. Perfect. It's exactly what you want, and then you're just going to do that all the way around. And then if you get any seeds in there, you can just cut them out. Okay, once you've removed all the sections from your grapefruit, don't throw it away. I know I can hear you guys, don't throw it away, Katrina. So I'm just gonna take it and squeeze the extra juice right into our vinaigrette. Just a little bit more yumminess added. I'd say the hardest part about sectioning out your grapefruit is just trying not to eat the grapefruit as you go. I find myself trying not to. Leave it alone so we can put it together and make it look so beautiful at the end. And now for the other star of our recipe, a lovely avocado. You're going to cut it into slices as well, just like we did with our grapefruit. So cut open your avocado lengthwise. Twist her open. See how she looks. Oh, she's pretty. And then remove your pit. See if you can twist it out. Come on, little buddy. Twist. There we go. All right, and now you're just going to cut it into slices. I'm going to use my smaller knife. And you're just going to slice right through, making sure not to go all the way through the peel. You don't want to cut your hand, obviously. Just make your slices. And again, the same thing on the other side. Make your slices through. I'm gonna make this one a little bit thinner. I think the other ones were just a little bit thick. So, slice it a little bit thinner. All right, and then remove the peel. And now for the fun part, let's assemble our salad. I'm going to, you can do it whatever way you want to. I'm going to alternate them. I'm going to put a grapefruit on and then take an avocado slice, add that, and then a grapefruit. I'll put 2 grapefruits in between. Okay, mine had enough for 2 plates. Now you're going to take your vinaigrette and just pour it right on top. Now, of course, if you don't want to just have the grapefruit and the avocado, you are more than welcome to put this over top of a green salad, so some mixed greens or spinach or whatever it is that you would like. Okay, let's give this salad a try. That's really nice. It's got a really light flavor. I love just a little bit of cilantro in there. It just freshens it up a bit. And then there's just a tint of heat with the cayenne pepper. It's really gorgeous, really nice. And I would even maybe add some more black pepper to it. I wouldn't mind a little bit more spice. So definitely give this one a try. It's a great feeling, delicious, beautiful salad. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. And you know what's next. Subscribe to our channel so you can receive a new weekly recipe and stay inspired in the kitchen. Be well, and I'll see you next week.